Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and here on this channel I do everything hair. Recently I developed a series that I titled The Amazing Things You Can Do with Your Straight Hairs, and this series is going to be up every Wednesday on my channel. I'm so excited because we are going to be faking natural hair using straight hair and the installation method, which will blow your mind too. So if you are interested, just stay tuned to the end. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on that red subscribe button. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do not click off without clicking on that red subscribe button. Thank you so much. And without being said, let's jump right into the video. So guys, I'm going to be using an old attachment, washed and cleaned. I'm not going to be using a new one because I do not want to throw this old one away. But if you can get a new one, by all means get it. And today I'm also going to be using a broom, not a straw like I usually do, because I want the coils to be tighter and smaller. Because when the coils are tighter and smaller, the kinkiness of the coils will come out. That's how I'm going to be doing this one, using a broom and then twisting. These coils is the best coils ever because you can do a lot of things using it. You can get a full locks from it. You can get a twist out, everything. You can just get everything from these coils. This is the best coils you will ever want to make. You can get afro, ponytail, you can get coil, weave on, everything, just everything you can get from this. So I'm going to be parting my hair into four before doing. My hair is so tangled, though I washed it a week ago. This is my failed twist out on my relaxed hair. So I'm just going to be parting it into four sections, and that is how I'm going to be fixing on it. So I'm going to be braiding towards the front so that I can cover my edges. So if you are having troubles with your edges, maybe you have scanty edges like mine, or you don't want your edges to break out, you can use this braiding pattern. And I believe this is also braidless crochet method, but just a different way. So I'm going to be braiding towards the front. So this is what my braids look like. And this is the hair I just made. I haven't detached it from the broom, but I'm going to be doing that while I crocheting into my hair. There's no time. So the way I'm going to be doing this is I'm going to go in from under and then use my lash hook to pull out the hair and then tie one part. This will make it look very natural when I tie just one part of this hair, to make it look natural, because one part of this hair is going to cover the knots made while tying this hair. So the front part of this hair is going to be flawless. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how I made this to this point. I just wanted this video to be a bit shorter. So this is how it looks. Very flawless. You find it difficult to see the knots. So I'm just going to be using this other side to show all the examples. When it was time to make my part, I just went in with this hair like that without tying one part or leaving one part, because it's still going to come out flawless because I have hairs there. So I just knotted it together. No need of coming out with one or not. So what I'm going to be doing now is putting this hair on all the important part, like round my hair, below, and then the middle. I'll just go in with one or few pieces of hair, and then we're done. And my son was disturbing so badly. He did not want me to continue. So I had to stand up and carry him. So that's why I'm standing and just doing this hair fast. So I'm sorry if I'm shaking on the camera. I'm just trying to cuddle him. So now that I'm done going around, I'm just going to put in a few pieces there. But if you want this hair to be a very big hair on your head, then maybe you can closely and carefully install some more. It's time to trim. So I noticed that the hair was still very scanty. After trimming, I still went in with some few pieces of hair so that it will come out well. And this conditioner that I'm putting on this hair is my DIY shea mixture that I'll still put it up maybe one Sunday, but I'm trying it out to see if it's worth your time. So I'm trying to see how good it is and how well it works before I'll show you guys how I made it. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next Wednesday on the next one. Please don't forget to trim properly, or else you will go out looking like someone insane. I'll see you next Wednesday on the next one. And next Wednesday, I'm going to be making a very beautiful wig, simple and easy. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And also tell me what you like, what you don't like about this video. And if you want me to show you guys how I washed, detangled, and made ready my old hair, my old attachments for this, please just leave a comment for me down below, so I will make a video, a detailed video on that. Thank you so much, and it will really help my channel grow if you support me. Thank you. Bye.